Students, welcome to online classes presented by Mr. Ravi S. Kumar, lecturer in Department of Studies in Commerce, KLS Gupte College of Commerce, Belgaum. Dear students, in today's class we are going to discuss about unit number 5, that is retail mix. So before going to discuss retail mix, so in the previous class we completed 4th unit with a complete concepts such as retail pricing, meaning, definition, concept, and also a determination of the price and pricing methods, markup, markdown and discount and coupons. So these all we discuss. So just to go through my previous videos and you will be understood. And even today also I upload a fourth unit notes also in the e-content development, e-content website. So let us start with the retail marketing mix. So let us start with the introduction. See, dear students, in the word retail is derived from the French, and the word retailer, that is to cut a pieces or break down. Retail means what? The retailer is cutting the pieces. What he is going to cutting the pieces? A retailer buy in a large quantity from middleman or manufacturer, and whatever he buy the goods from middleman and manufacturer, and he breaks and into the small quantity, and he will buy in a bulk manner, and whatever he buy the bulk into small quantity of species and sell in the market and in the same quantity to meet the needs of the customer. He act as a link between manufacturer, middleman and customer. So this is known about what a retailing concept. It means retailer means retailer is a person, he cut the pieces. So what he will be cut the pieces? He is cut the pieces of whatever he buy the bulk manner, whatever he buy the goods in the bulk manner. So that is he pieces into the small quantity, and whatever he made the small quantity of pieces, he sell in the market according to the customer needs and wants. So then he is a agent or a linkage between the manufacturer, middleman and customer. Let's look about the definition of a retail marketing mix. According to the American Market Association, retailing consists of activities involved in selling directly to ultimate consumer for personal or non-personal business uses. Okay, it means what? Retailing is consist of activity involved in the selling of the goods and services directly to the consumer, either personal or non-personal business activities. So those only you have to sell into the from manufacturer to retailer. It embraces directly to customer sales activities of the producer, whether through his own store, by house to house, counseling or mail order businesses. How the retail is going to interacting with them? He means what? A retailer. So whether through his own store, he can sell the goods to the customer, or by house to house he can sell the goods, or through mail order business he can sell the goods and the services. And retail marketing mix must have the following mix in the marketing component. In today means in the 5th chapters we are going to learning the retailing market. Retailing market mix is a consist of what? Place, presentation, people, promotion, product and price. So these are the marketing mix involved into the what? Retailing mix. So these are also marketing mix also, but these mix are the retail mix, because when a retailer selling goods and services to the customer, he use the place. Place is very important to him, and because where he has to sell the goods, so only the retailing mix, one of the P is what? A place is very important to retail mix. Presentation, what I have to present to the customer, which type of, which quantity, which rate I have to presentation, that is to be very important, how to present. And people also very important in the retailing mix. Why? Because who are my targeted people, to whom I have to supply the goods and services. So these all things has to be determined by retailing mix. And next, the promotion. How I am going to promoting my goods to the customers, that is a promotion strategy. And product is a main important. And again price, because we studied in the previous chapter, price is how is very important concept. Okay, so these are the mix under the retailing mix. So next we have to discuss about the concept of a retail marketing mix. So what happened in this case? See, is application of marketing function in distribution of goods to the customer. It means retail marketing mix is a function of distribution of goods and services to the customer. It means what marketing do? Marketing will sell the goods and service to the customers. Even same retailing market also, retailing also selling the goods and service to the customer. And the retail marketing mix, organized retail is not as just selling the goods, means whatever organized retailing market is not selling the goods, with that goods they are going to activities of marketing like grading and packing, promotion and advertisement. So these all the activities done by organized retail marketing, because we studied in the second chapter organized and unorganized. What is unorganized? Organized or unorganized? Organized means which is systematically selling goods and services, which is not selling the goods and services systematically, that is unorganized. Okay, it means right now the retail is not retail is organized. By organizing the retail concept, selling goods and services is not an activity. With selling of goods and services, they are going to providing advertisement, promotion, grading and packing and many more activities to be done by what? Organized retail marketing mix. So variety of goods are reasonable prices with offer like discount and credit facilities will be given by. In the retail marketing, the variety of goods are to be supplied with a reasonable price with different offers like discount and credit facilities. Under the retail marketing mix, provides convenience to the customers, comfort to the customers in shopping mall or in the shopping place, and also medium that is convenient to the customer. Which medium is convenient, in that medium only they are going to interact with the customers. Last but not least of concept of the retailing, retail and marketing are two different concepts. So retail is selling a small desired quantity of goods to the people, and marketing is includes set of functions like transportation, banking, insurance, warehouse and promotion. And the main purpose of retail marketing concept is to satisfy the customers. So this is the main concept of a retail marketing mix. So in today's class we studied a retail marketing mix, introduction, definition and concept of a retail. So in the next class we have to discuss about a detailed concept of a marketing mix. Thank you.